Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix invisible WhatsApp notifications on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the system controls needed to manage your apps and their behaviors. Once you're in settings, tap on apps. This section gives you access to all the applications installed on your Pixel and allows you to configure how they function on your device. Now tap See All Apps. This will display a complete list of every application currently installed, making it easier to locate WhatsApp among all your other apps. Next, scroll down through the list and tap on WhatsApp. This opens up all the specific settings and permissions related to WhatsApp, including notifications, storage, and more. Once you're inside the WhatsApp settings, tap on Notifications. This is the critical section where you can control how WhatsApp alerts you about new messages, calls, and updates. If your notifications aren't showing up, this is where the issue usually stems from. Now you'll see an option called All WhatsApp Notifications with a toggle button beside it. Tap that toggle to turn it on. This master switch enables notifications for the entire app, so if it's off, you won't receive any alerts at all regardless of your other settings. After enabling that, tap on Additional Settings in the app. This takes you deeper into WhatsApp's notification configuration, where you can fine-tune exactly how you want to be alerted for different types of activity. Here you'll see an option called Use High Priority Notifications. You'll notice this appears in 3 separate sections labeled Messages, Groups, and Status. These high-priority notifications ensure that your WhatsApp alerts come through prominently and aren't hidden or minimized by your system. Tap the toggle button beside each of these 3 options to turn them all on. By enabling high priority for Messages, Groups, and Status, you're telling your Pixel to treat these notifications as important and display them properly on your lock screen and notification panel. And that's it! Your WhatsApp notifications should now appear normally on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.